Every durable leather shoe begins with carefully selected natural cattle hide.
Back section looks clean.
Responsible ranching practices help produce stronger, cleaner hides for shoemaking.
Easy now, keep them moving steady.
Healthy cattle develop smoother hides with fewer scars and blemishes. Skin looks healthy and clear. Veteran ranchers inspect animals regularly to protect future leather quality.
No fresh marks on this one.
Proper nutrition supports consistent hide thickness and flexible leather fibers. Moisture is right on target. Clean shelter reduces surface damage before hides enter industrial processing. Padding is secure on this post. Careful livestock handling prevents bruising that can weaken finished leather. Give them room around the curve. Natural grain patterns make every piece of leather visually unique.
Nice natural character through this section.
Dense collagen fibers give full-grain leather exceptional strength and durability.
Fiber bundles are tightly packed here.
Small surface marks reveal the authentic history of each hide. This mark stays outside the premium panel. Hide thickness varies across shoulders, sides, bellies, and neck areas.
Back section measures heavier than the belly.
Fresh hides contain moisture that must be preserved during collection. Temperature is holding at 38. The strongest shoe leather usually comes from tightly structured back sections.
This back section has excellent body.
Experienced graders identify grain quality by touch, sight, and flexibility. Good grain recovery and clean flex.
Lay this one flat for trimming.
Skilled workers separate hides quickly to preserve freshness and fiber strength. Prompt trimming removes damaged edges before preservation begins at collection. Keep the good shoulder area intact. Coarse salt slows bacterial growth during the hide preservation process. Cover every fold before stacking. Each hide receives identification markings for complete source traceability records. Ranch and lot numbers match. Folded hides are stacked carefully to distribute curing salt evenly. Square the edges before the next layer. Collected hides move toward processing, while their natural quality remains protected. Temperature and lot records are cleared. Source teams sort preserved hides by size, condition, and destination.
Keep this heavier lot together.
Early sorting prevents unsuitable hides from entering premium footwear production.
Strong back section, weaker outer edge.
Accurate grading protects material value before hides leave collection centers.
Premium yield calculates above 70%.
Cold storage stabilizes preserved hides before scheduled factory transportation begin. Top and bottom temperatures match. Experienced inspectors separate specialty hides for different leather product categories. Reserve this clean section for dress uppers. Balanced loading prevents shifting, compression damage, and uneven salt distribution. Move that heavy bundle toward center. Breathable containers protect hides while allowing controlled airflow during transit. Side channels are completely clear. Temperature records verify that every load remains safely preserved throughout transport. Both loggers are transmitting correctly. Secured pallets keep heavy hide stacks stable inside refrigerated trailers. Position 1 is locked and clear. Shipping documents connect each transported lot to its original source. Seal number matches the dispatch record. Refrigerated trailers maintain cool conditions across long regional transportation routes.
Temperature remains within range.
Drivers monitor temperature, airflow, and load stability throughout every journey.
Load readings are steady.
Modern logistics systems track hide shipments from collection point to factory. Prepare Dock 4 for immediate receiving. Careful dock arrival prevents delays that could reduce leather quality. Hold there, dock restraint is secured. Receiving teams verify seals, temperatures, documents, and shipment identification first. Seal number and temperature history are confirmed. Industrial scales record precise incoming weight for every preserved hide lot. Weight is stable and recorded. Senior inspectors examine freshness, salting coverage, and visible surface condition. Center is cool, firm, and well preserved. Random samples reveal preservation quality before full lots enter production.
All 3 preservation readings are acceptable.
Approved hides receive factory codes before cleaning and processing begin. Lot L2048 is released to cleaning. Rotating drums wash away salt, dirt, and transport residue thoroughly. Rinse water is clearing up now. Controlled soaking restores moisture and flexibility to every preserved hide. The fibers are opening evenly. Fresh water rinses loosened salt before chemical processing begins. Increase flow on nozzle 6. Skilled operators separate hides by thickness, size, and condition.
Send this thicker one to boot leather.
Final cleaning checks ensure every hide enters processing evenly prepared. Surface is clean and hydration is uniform. Timing solutions loosen hair while opening dense leather fibers. The pH is holding exactly on target. Mechanical dehairing removes loosened hair without damaging valuable grain. Keep pressure light across the shoulder. Fleshing machines remove residual tissue and create uniform surfaces. The center is smooth and evenly cleaned. Precision splitting divides thick hides into controlled leather layers. Hold 1.6 millimeters through the back. Trimmed hides are weighed, batched, and prepared for tanning. Batch weight is ready for drum 3. Large tanning drums rotate hides through carefully measured processing solutions. Drum 3 is running smoothly. Automated dosing systems deliver exact chemicals at controlled intervals. All dosing rates match the recipe. Drum rotation distributes tanning agents evenly through every fiber layer.
The load is opening evenly.
Technicians monitor temperature, pH, and timing throughout leather conversion. Sample confirms the online pH reading. Chrome-free tanning can produce durable leather with reduced environmental impact. Solution clarity and pH are approved. Neutralization balances acidity before dyes and oils enter leather. The batch is ready for color. Dye drums develop rich, consistent color throughout the leather.
Color penetration is even through the fold.
Fat liquoring oils lubricate fibers, creating softness, flexibility, and strength. The grain returns without surface stress. Hydraulic presses remove excess moisture while flattening processed hides. Moisture looks even across the center. Primary tanning transforms raw hide into stable, workable leather. This batch is released for drying. Controlled vacuum drying removes moisture while preserving leather shape and grain.
The surface is drawing down evenly.
Toggle drying stretches each leather sheet evenly without excessive tension. Match the tension along both sides. Careful conditioning restores balanced moisture before mechanical softening begins. Moisture is balanced across this sheet. Staking machines flex dried leather repeatedly to create lasting softness. The hand feels noticeably softer now. Dry milling enhances softness and develops a fuller, natural grain. Reduce speed for a gentler finish. Precision buffing creates a clean, uniform surface for footwear production. The backing texture is even throughout. Thin base coatings improve color consistency while preserving natural texture. Maintain the light coat across the edge. Automated spray systems build consistent color without hiding natural grain.
Coverage matches the approved brown standard.
Protective top coats improve durability while maintaining leather flexibility and appearance.
Sheen is inside the satin range.
Heated ironing sets the finish and smooths leather surfaces precisely. Lower pressure through the natural grain. Optical scanners map natural marks before precision pattern placement begins. Reserve the clean back for vamp panels. Pattern nesting maximizes leather use while avoiding visible natural defects. Rotate this quarter around the scar. Computer-guided knives cut complex upper patterns with remarkable accuracy. Vamp outline is cutting cleanly. Steel cutting dies produce consistent smaller components for every shoe pair.
This pair matches in grain and shade.
Skiving thins seam edges so finished uppers remain smooth and flexible.
The seam edge tapers evenly.
Hidden reinforcement layers support leather uppers during shaping and long-term wear.
The reinforcement is bonded without wrinkles.
Accurate guide marks keep paired shoe components perfectly aligned during stitching.
Both vamp marks are mirrored correctly.
Programmable perforation adds decorative detail with consistent spacing and alignment. Spacing remains consistent through the curve. Edge coloring seals exposed fibers and creates a refined appearance.
The edge coat is fully continuous.
Prepared leather components now advance toward precise upper assembly operations. Pair complete, color and grain confirmed. Veteran stitchers join prepared leather components into strong, accurately shaped uppers. Keep the seam directly on the guide. Reinforced seams secure high-stress areas around eye stays and quarters. Double stitch this stress point for strength. Careful lining attachment improves comfort, structure, and interior durability throughout each shoe.
The lining is smooth around the collar.
Formed toe components preserve shape while allowing comfortable, natural movement. Keep the toe edge smooth and invisible. Casting machines pull leather uppers tightly around precise shoe forms. Center the vamp before final tension. Inspectors compare paired uppers for matching grain, color, and dimensions. Toe shape and grain match correctly. Every stitched seam is checked for strength, spacing, and straightness. No skip stitches along this quarter. Surface inspections identify scratches, wrinkles, stains, and coating inconsistencies quickly.
That mark was only loose dust.
Color specialists ensure both shoes display matching shade and natural grain.
The pair remains consistent under every light.
Digital gauges confirm finished footwear meets every approved dimensional specification. All dimensions are within approved tolerance. Flex testing reveals whether leather and seams withstand repeated movement. The vamp recovers without finish damage. Bond inspections confirm soles remain securely attached around every edge. The perimeter bond is completely closed. Final visual comparisons protect consistency across complete production batches carefully. Batch appearance remains consistent across sizes. Approved shoes receive traceable quality records before laboratory sampling begins.
Sample set A goes to the lab.
Tensile testing measures leather strength before materials enter commercial footwear. Strength exceeds the approved minimum requirement. Repeated flexing simulates years of walking across demanding daily conditions. No cracking appears along the flex line. Abrasion tests evaluate how finished leather resists scuffing and surface wear. Surface wear remains within the approved grade. Water resistance testing checks protection without sacrificing breathability or flexibility. Interior sensors remain completely dry. Laboratory analysis confirms adhesives, dyes, and finish meet safety standards. All tested materials meet approved specifications. Final conditioning removes minor pressure marks and restores smooth leather appearance.
The vamp has relaxed back evenly.
Artisans polish each upper to create an even, natural satin sheen. Keep the shine natural, not overly bright. Fresh laces, insoles, and fittings complete each carefully inspected shoe pair. Insoles and lace color match the order. Last removal reveals the finished interior shape without stressing leather. Collar and lining stayed completely smooth. Final refinement prepares approved shoes for clean, protective packaging. This pair is ready for packaging. Packaging teams organize boxes, tissue, inserts, and matched shoe pairs.
Style 204 packaging materials are complete.
Automated systems form sturdy shoe boxes with consistent dimensions. Corners are square and properly bonded. Protective tissue prevents finished leather surfaces from rubbing during shipment. Keep the tissue smooth beneath the vamp. Each shoe receives shaped supports that protect toes during transportation. The toe support sits evenly inside. Matched pairs enter boxes only after size and style verification. Style, size, and pair codes match. Printed care guides explain cleaning, storage, and long-term leather maintenance.
Correct care guide for dark brown leather.
Careful box arrangement protects shape while presenting shoes professionally. Nothing should press against the polished vamp. Automated lid placement closes each package without crushing the shoes. Lid seated evenly on all sides. Tamper seals confirm packages remain unopened throughout warehouse handling.
Seal is centered and fully bonded.
Product labels identify style, size, color, lot, and destination.
Style, size, and destination are correct.
Barcode verification prevents labeling errors before cartons reach distribution.
All 4 identification fields match.
Production codes connect every packaged pair with complete manufacturing records.
Code is clear and fully traceable.
Final package scans confirm quantity, weight, and shipping information. Weight and destination records are correct. Finished shoe boxes enter protective cartons arranged by destination and size. 6 boxes complete for destination A. Carton sealing creates secure shipping units for warehouse handling.
Top seal is straight and secure.
Sealed cartons are palletized carefully for stable warehouse storage and handling.
Keep every carton inside the pallet edge.
Protective wrapping keeps finished shoe cartons secure during internal movement. Tension is secure without compressing the cartons. Warehouse scanners assign every pallet an exact labeled storage location.
Store this load at rack B1204.
Organized racking protects packaged footwear while maximizing available warehouse space.
B1204 is clear for placement.
Inventory audits confirm carton counts, locations, and shipment readiness accurately.
6 cartons present. Wrapping remains intact.
Climate monitoring protects leather shoes from excessive heat and humidity. Temperature and humidity remain inside storage limits. Automated inventory systems track every movement from storage to dispatch.
B1204 is reserved for today's order.
Order picking begins only after destination and quantity verification completes.
6 cartons. Destination A, pallet B12-04.
Electric forklifts move full pallets safely through clearly marked aisles.
Load is clear, lower to travel height.
Shipping teams consolidate customer orders before final loading preparation begins.
Route A now has all 3 pallets.
Stretch wrapping stabilizes outbound pallets without crushing protective shoe cartons.
Reinforce this corner without adding compression.
Final pallet labels connect warehouse loads with transportation documents accurately.
Pallet 2 matches the Route A manifest.
Dock teams inspect trailers before any finished footwear is loaded.
Trailer is clean, dry, and ready.
Careful loading distributes pallet weight evenly across the trailer floor.
Position 1 is centered and clear.
Load bars prevent finished footwear pallets from shifting during transportation.
Restraints are tight without touching carton corners.
Dispatch documents verify carton totals, destinations, and trailer seal numbers.
3 pallets and 8 cartons verified.
Sealed trailers leave the factory carrying traceable finished shoe orders.
Seal confirmed. Route A cleared to depart.
Distribution centers receive footwear orders and confirm shipment condition immediately.
Seal matches, and the load arrived intact.
Retail deliveries place finished leather shoes closer to American customers.
Stop 4 is loaded in correct sequence.
Each completed pair reflects skilled work from hide to delivery.
This pair is ready for display.